Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable background apps in Windows 11 /. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Select any Windows application, click Advanced Options. Select Never under Background Apps Permissions. Second method is type Edit Group Policy in Windows search bar, click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates, click and expand Windows Components. Click App Privacy, open Let Windows Apps Run in the Background, change to Disable, click Apply, click OK. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type GP update /force. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.